You're ready for pajama? Pajama! Pajama!
So what is this book that Papa found?
Roi Lion.
Le Roi Lion?
Oui.
Maman.
Guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's only me. Well, you see the kids and the husband in a bit, but you guys has been asking for this video for a while, so I decided, hey, it's finally time to show you the bedtime routine with our kids. So we're gonna show you the bedtime routine with our kids today, showing you how we put them to bed and all the techniques and the methods that we use to put both our babies to bed. If you're new to our channel, we have two kids. Eldest Tyler is 5, and Sarah, the baby, which is 1 year 15 months to be exact. So if you guys are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe right now and catch up and keep up with the fan bam with all the happenings that we do on our channel. So normally I'm just gonna say our bedtime routine starts off with dinner. So in France, typically dinner time is at 8 p.m. but because we're not so traditional, or should I say, we do what works for us, which you should also do the same. Do whatever works for you, but we'll show you guys some of the techniques that we use to put the kids to bed and to make sure that they do what they need to do in order for bedtime. So Tyler leaves school. I have to be watching Sarah take out one of the fruit. Tyler normally leaves school at 6 p.m. The reason why Tyler leaves school at 6 p.m. is because Tyler go after care after school. It's just like a creche, a daycare for you guys, for most of you guys. So Tyler go after care when school finish at 4:30 to play with his friends and leave at 6 o'clock. So when Tyler come home, Tyler have dinner right away. But on a typical weekend, like right now, he have dinner at 6 as usual, like a school day. Well, he would have dinner like 6:30 on a school day, because by the time we walk home from school, take off our bags, play with his sister a bit and stuff like that, it's about 6:30. So it's about 6 p.m. right now in France, to be exact. It's 3 minutes after 6 p.m. and Tyler is gonna have dinner. So we're starting off bedtime routine with dinner. So for dinner today for Tyler, he requested rice, carrots and beans. No, he requested rice, carrots, sausage and broccoli, but I did not cook broccoli. I cook a veggie mix, so I just pick some of the carrot and the beans out of it. So that's what Tyler is gonna have for dinner right now. So let me show you Tyler's dinner. So this is Tyler dinner for today. That's what Tyler dinner is looking like, and he's gonna go to the table. Beans. Go to the table. So there goes Tyler's dinner, and Tyler likes to have ketchup with his rice. So that's what Tyler is gonna have, and he also have water for his dinner, not juice. Sit properly, please.
What is no ketchup?
I'm going for the ketchup now.
Okay, I could start eating my sausage then.
Okay. Eat up all, okay? Oh my gosh. So you guys, while Tyler eats, I have to give Sarah. Sarah eats 1 hour after Tyler. Sarah eats at 7 while Tyler eats at 6, because that's just how we do our routine. Throughout the video you guys will understand why we do our routine like that. So I have to give Sarah some of what Tyler is eating in order for Tyler to eat in peace, because if I don't do that, then Tyler won't be able to sit and eat his meal. So I'm gonna put Sarah down in her chair and give her some rice. Yep. Reality. Hey, princess, what did you do? Sarah? What did you do? Hmm? Yep. I do the same too.
Excuse me.
Yes. We're not to get Papa in it.
I don't want to tell you nothing. It's just that I burp.
You're too funny. Oh, you say excuse me because you burped.
Yes.
You're funny. How is dinner going?
Great.
What you don't like in your plate? Why you don't like the beans?
Because I don't like it.
Why? Is it the first you're eating that beans?
Yes.
That's why you don't like it?
Yes.
But you like the other beans, right?
Yes.
Okay.
After long beans.
The other long one.
Yes.
Alright. Well, over here is a whole different party. A whole other party going on here. Yes, you're having your own little session. Your own little dub playing. Huh? You're playing your own little session? Yeah? You're having your own little dub session. You're telling them bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're telling them bye-bye. She's having her own little session. So this is dinner part 1 for Sarah. Because she have to have what her brother is having or else it's trouble. Trouble. You see her? Dad says I'm not allowed to date. I like that. That's written on your shirt, Sarah. Like never.
This side I eat, but this side, no, this side I don't eat, but this side I eat.
Yes, you're gonna eat all of it. Mama is gonna help you to eat the beans that you don't like, okay? Okay?
You mean on this side?
Eat all the rice and the carrots and then we speak. And I said, what about what you don't like?
My beans.
And I said, what about the beans?
That I still eat.
And why you're to still eat it?
Because it's so good for you.
It's good for you, right? Alright, go ahead, take small bites. Okay, so dinner time is finished for Tyler, and they're having a little playtime until it's Sarah dinner time.
Big circle.
Okay, let's pick up. Let's pick up all the back up all the toys. Back up, Sarah. Pick up paper. Pick up paper. Line on the ground. Line on the ground.
Now
Them up. Now it's done.
Now I can play. Now I can play, Mama.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, sir.
All done.
Very well.
All done. 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 She just want to turn up. All done. Go down. Go on. All done. All done. All done. All done. Sarah, it is dinner time. It's so cute. It's so cute. So it's Sarah's dinner time right now after playtime with Tyler. And for dinner, Sarah is having zucchini and pumpkin. And then after that, she's going to have a yogurt, right? Right? And in the meantime, while Sarah is eating, yay! And I always make Sarah food by myself. The only way is that we buy food like when we're going on the road for emergency or whatever the case may be. Whenever we travel, that's how she will get food that we buy at the supermarket. But yeah, that's Sarah dinner. And while Sarah is eating, Tyler is going to, what Tyler is gonna do? Tell them what you're gonna do. While sister is eating, what you're gonna do?
I'm going to set up this planet.
No. He says he's gonna set up that planet. You're gonna pack up your room.
So it all depends on one thing. When Tyler is at school, normally his room is kind of clean because he don't have time to play much in his room. But because actually it's vacation, it's gonna take him a little more time. Oops, that's Tyler's room. So every night when he going to bed, one rule is his room should be completely clean, completely packed. So yeah, but you know everything was supposed to go, so and you do it alone.
Sarah normally have dinner at 7 o'clock every single night. 7 o'clock on the dot. Whether we are on the road or we are home, it doesn't matter where we are. 7 p.m. every night. So Tyler have dinner at 6 and Sarah have at 7. So it's 7:04 right now and Sarah almost finished eating. She eats dinner very fast. And she eats off her bowl of puree. And now onto yogurt. And after Sarah finished eating and Tyler finished packing up his room, they'll play a bit around in Sarah's room where it kind of sets the tone for bedtime.
Alright guys, so 5 minutes passed and Tyler's still in his room. Okay, it's moving well. It's moving well. It's almost done.
This is Sarah, it's not my boy.
Alright, continue.
At this point, it's almost time to give the kids a bath, so we're just in their rooms, spending time with them before it's bath time.
Play some games. It can be some dominoes, it can be some Uno, it can be any type of games. So Tyler want to play hide and seek, so we're playing hide and seek. Where's Tyler? Tinny! Oh, he's not here. Huh. Let's try to find Tyler. Maybe Tyler is in a bathroom. Oop. No. Tyler. You're so well. Good job. And you didn't make one sound.
Yes.
I'm about to set Princess's bath right now. And Princess uses the baby Kadam nighttime soap. This helps her to sleep. And Princess and Tyler used to use this exact soap when he was a baby, and Sarah uses the same one. Normally I would wash Sarah here, but because she having a little slight runny nose, I'm not gonna wash her hair tonight. Usually when we're doing bedtime, I would normally do Sarah bedtime while at the same time baby's doing Tyler's bedtime. So that's how we normally do it. But because we want you guys to see what Tyler bedtime routine is looking like, so we're gonna do it after Sarah bedtime. We're all done! Yay! You're shaky. Hi! Look! Look there! Look there! Baby! You're ready for pajama? Pajama! Pajama! This is the way we brush your teeth, brush your teeth. This is the way we brush it in the evening. All done, all done, all done. Time for story time. Time for story time. Time for story time. Ready? Yes? Anyway, guys, while Sarah gonna do story time, Tyler is gonna take a bath. We're doing Sarah's absolute favorite book. It's called Welcome Little One. This is it with two little elephants on it. She loved this book. She always make her laugh. Look at her gonna start laughing. Quack quack. Quack quack. You have ducks in the inside. Alright, let's go. Heart. On the day you were born, it was love at first sight. We welcomed you, little one, and held you so tight.
You're bathing? Yes. You're bathing by yourself?
Yes.
Alright, continue. While Tyler is Sarah having a story, Tyler is bathing. Actually, we teach him Tyler to bath by himself. So this is what's going on. We're here beside him to control that he do everything we said. But yeah, we're training him to bath, to show him. So yeah.
Turn it. All done. Yay! All done. All done. Monkey. Go get Sarah music, please, honey. And that's where Sarah bedtime ends. It's now 15 minutes before 8 p.m. and she's all ready for bed. Elephant. Monkey. She loves books, but this one is her favorite. And she wasn't a fan of books. It was hard to get her to sit and read, listen to stories when she was baby. But no, yeah, not every book she'll sit down for, but this one, she'll have you read it every night. Book, 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 book. Book? No! This is for you. And water for Sarah, please. Okay, so before bed, the last thing Sarah does before she go down is drink some water, because she don't normally have anything to drink just after she finish eating. She wants her water.
Where's the bottle? Okay.
Her cup is right. Yeah, I need to fill it.
And she likes
She telling you bye bye already because she know that's the trail.
Bye bye.
Look at her hand. Look at her hand around there.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bonne nuit. Good night. Un bisou.
Papa kisses. She telling you bye bye. Oh, mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
Bye-bye. I love you.
Alright, you guys, and at this point, Sarah always go to her bed with her music. So baby's gonna turn that on and we put her down for the night, and that's it. Close our door and she peace out. Say bye-bye to the face. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. For Tyler bedtime routine, Tyler is going to read this book tonight, and this book is called Maya Looks on the Bright Side, and it's by Stephanie Jean-Pierre. And this book, you can find it on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. And just to give you a rundown, this book is about a little girl that's by the name of Maya, and Maya tries to see the good in every bad situation. In every situation that life throws at you, you try to find the good in it instead of the negative. So that's what Maya is about. So that's the book that we're gonna read to Tyler tonight, and I highly recommend this book. It's a really good read, especially for kids. But yeah, there goes. I'll leave the link down below in the description box if you guys want to go and purchase this book. Please support Stephanie and her book Maya Looks on the Bright Side.
Stop.
English book up first. Okay, you put socks after. Sit.
Why can't we do like when I was little, we put the cover on top of Earth?
No, not no. Read what this says.
Maya
Looks
on the bright side.
very good. Maya look on the bright side. So we're gonna read who is Maya and what the story is about, right?
Yes.
Okay, you listen, because I'm gonna ask you at the end of it what you understand, right?
Yes.
Maya jumped out of bed. Today was her play date with Asa. She had been looking forward to it all week. Maya had so many ideas for fun things to do with Asa. They could ride bikes, they could play in the garden, they could even build a fort outside. Maya tried to stay positive. It was almost time for Asa to come over. She was sure they would find something fun to do together. Just when Maya heard the phone ring downstairs, a few minutes later her mom came upstairs. "Good morning, Maya, sweetie," Mom began. That was Asa's mom on the phone. Asa's not feeling well and can't play today. At her mom's word, tears filled Maya's eyes. Everything had gone wrong today. "You were right, Mom," Maya said. "I had a great day after all. From now on, I am going to try to find the good in everything that life throws my way." And that is just what she did. You like the story?
Yes.
What was the story about?
It was about Maya thinking how she can do something fun.
Right, it was about Maya thinking that how to do something fun after her friend couldn't come over anymore. So Maya tried to find the good in a bad situation. So for example, what if one day you wake up and you wanted to go bike riding with Papa,
Yes.
but it's raining outside and you get very sad? What you can do instead of getting sad is find something inside to do fun with Papa instead of being sad. Right? So you try to find the good in a bad situation. Right? So don't always be sad.
But what if Maya's friend can't come over because it's raining, why don't she put on her raining clothes and take her umbrella and go to her friend's house?
She could have done that too. So next time you can think about that, right?
Okay.
Alright, time for French book.
Yes. But what if I want to play football outside and it's raining?
Oh, you
So
don't
you find
play.
something to do other than football that you can do inside. Right? Alright, French book
But I know
time.
I can't do football in the house.
So you find another game that you can do in the house, right?
Okay.
So what is this book that Papa found?
Roi Lion.
Le Roi Lion.
Oui.
Maman. Allez, c'est toi qui lis.
Take the puzzle to
Matin.
Rafiki, sage parmi les sages, s'avance et leur présente un petit lionceau.
C'est lui, lionceau.
Oui, allez, continue.
Il est tout petit, lionceau.
Oui.
Voici Simba.
Simba, c'est le petit lionceau.
Non, c'est lui, Simba.
Non, ça c'est le roi Mufasa.
Non.
Ça c'est le petit Simba. Voici Simba. Un jour, il régnera sur la savane.
Iris.
Pray, Mama. Pray, Papa. Pray to God to bless me, make me a good little child for Christ's sake. Amen.
Amen.
Thank you, Lord, for this house, this for Mama, Papa, baby sister, and Tyler, and all my cousins, friends. Amen.
Amen.
Ok, tu veux trouver les pays?
Oui.
Alors, quel pays tu vas devoir trouver?
Tyler like to do this little activity before bed at night. He like to find the countries on the map so he get used to the map.
Le drapeau de Chili.
Montre-moi, il est où le drapeau du Chili?
Ah!
Chili. Good job! Il est où le Chili sur la carte?
Le H. Le.
Allez.
Attends, je regarde si je le vois déjà.
Allez, tu as trouvé le Chili?
Non, je pas trouvé. Ah, ici!
Oui, c'est quoi la capitale du Chili?
Santiago.
Santiago! Bravo! Tu veux faire un autre pays?
Non, maintenant, moi, je vais te donner.
Ok, donne-moi un pays et c'est moi qui dois le trouver.
Ok, c'est
Allez.
l'idée. Grec.
La Grèce. C'est celui-là, la Grèce.
Oui, mais
Et la Grèce, il est là. Et la capitale de la Grèce, c'est Athènes.
oui. Maintenant,
Allez, c'est l'heure d'aller au lit.
mais donne-moi un dernier pays, je vais trouver, ok?
Australie.
Australie.
Oui, il est où le drapeau de l'Australie?
Attends.
Tu as trouvé? Montre-moi le drapeau de l'Australie. Tyler, montre-moi le drapeau de l'Australie d'abord.
Oh. Ok, il est là.
Allez, l'Australie, elle est là. C'est quoi la capitale de l'Australie?
La capitale de l'Australie, c'est Canberra.
Good job.
Night night.
À demain, d'accord, papa, il va travailler demain.
All together. Papa, all together.
Oui, mais tu fais l'imbécile.
Vite.
Oh,
Bébé, s'il te plaît.
Give me a glass.
Alright, I love you. Say bye bye to the face.
Later.
See you in the morning. In the morning. I love you.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Ah. Woo. That's the moment when the day of the parent begins. The relaxation begins.
Now we're gonna either have some wine, watch some TV,
Relaxed.
and call it a day.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, you guys, so that's our bedtime routine with the kids. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the Fam Bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.